same. Not even close. Our firm is an open book. You know us by over 30 years of reputation. If you want to know what a case like yours may be worth, visit forthepeople.com and look at the offers made and verdicts returned by juries for cases like yours. Hundreds of them. The proof is in the pudding. Your lawyer may have never been to court, or rarely. And listen, just because you hired the wrong firm in a rush days after your accident doesn't mean you can't fire them before it's too late. Look before you leap. There is only one Morgan & Morgan. On your cell phone, dial pound law, pound 529. Pound law, that's all.
Sometimes when a great deal seems...
Here we go. Oh my God.
From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency, this is the required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System.
Find your podcast, easily follow for updates.
Oh
and set
my
podcast
God.
to auto-download the latest episodes.
Oh my God. I actually caught it.
Of course, it's all free.
I hope it goes on SPC's line.